It's here, my LumiVitae bottle. We're gonna do some unboxing. Remember that liquid light vessel that I told you about a few months ago? First of all, isn't this case gorgeous? There are tons of molecular hydrogen bottles out there. This is the one that actually has the best, highest frequency technology, and I'm gonna share with you what's going on. First of all, you've got the vessel. So this is where it holds the water. This is the lid. And the powerful thing about this lid is that it mimics the frequencies of the sun. You can actually program it. There are 3 different programs on here. This base will actually mimic the frequencies of the earth and the grounding of the earth. It actually has the best membrane out of all of the molecular hydrogen bottles on the market. Molecular hydrogen is the most powerful antioxidant on the planet, and it's also the smallest molecule on the planet. It will permeate everything, including skin. I'm going to share with you my first sip. I just ran it for a 3-minute cycle. In the lid, I chose option number 1, which is the energy frequency. And it has just produced a super high amount of molecular hydrogen. This is my first time going to be drinking it. Wow, I really feel an opening. So as I was drinking it and it was going down my throat, I could feel just like my throat opening. And now it's just landing in my heart and it's opening into my heart. And what they say about this molecular hydrogen is that it really goes to where it's needed in your body. So it's very interesting that it's first being noticed in my heart. Now I'm feeling it in my belly. I'm also just noticing that there's opening energy. There's an energy around opening. I'm feeling it up the back of my neck into kind of the occiput area at the back of the head. I'm feeling it go through my meridians too. So I'm feeling it kind of going through the Du and Ren channels. I'm feeling that opening at the crown. And it feels like kind of like a warm washing. That's what it feels like. It continues to open in the solar plexus and the heart area. Yeah, I just really feel an opening frequency, like right there in the heart. And really, it's now a full body thing. It's actually been tested live during one of the calls, testing the blood to see how the cells look before and after drinking a whole bottle of the molecular hydrogen that's produced in this vessel. I can feel it in my body. So I just finished a whole serving. It feels expansive. It feels really expansive. I can definitely feel it in my solar plexus area. I definitely feel the frequency that this creates. Feel it definitely in the heart. It's just my whole heart, my whole chest area is just expanding. And I definitely feel the frequency. It's like just washing through my head into the third eye. Around the crown, I can feel it moving through the meridians, particularly the Ren and Du channels in my body. As I'm tapping into the energy of it, I am feeling kind of that energetic rising of energy within me. That's very natural, frequency specific, but it's also grounding, very interestingly enough. I can't wait to see what else I experience with my second, third, and beyond. Wow. I'm feeling it in my heart. It's amazing. If you're feeling the energy of this, if you're feeling inspired by the frequency and you'd like to learn more, go ahead and just comment liquid light in the comments below and you'll get information in your inbox.